welcome back. The same topic, matrices. So exercise 3.3. So question says if matrix A is given as its elements are 2, 4, 5. Matrix B is also given whose elements are 1, 3 and -6. So two matrices A and B are given and you have to verify the result. A B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So this is a question and this is to verify the result. So A, matrix A, it is a column matrix, and B, this is a row matrix. Here only one column is, and elements are 2, 4, 5. Here only one row is there, and elements are 1, 3 and 6. So one is a row matrix, another is column matrix. This is column, this is row. So A, B, first I have to find AB, that is product of A and B. So -2, 4, 5, these are elements of A, and elements of B are 1, 3, -6. So I have to multiply both the matrices. So by multiplying these two matrices, again the resultant will be again a matrix. So -2 into 1, -2 here, then with same element I will have to multiply 3. -2 into 3 is will 6, and again -2 into -6 it will give 12. So then 4 multiplied by 1 give 4, 4 multiplied by 3 will give 12, and 4 multiplied by 6 will give 24, -24. Then 5, this last element, 5 into 1 will be 5, 5 into 3, 15, and 5 into 3, that is -30. So this is the value of AB. So now in the right hand side I have to find the transpose. So transpose of AB will equal to changing the rows into columns. So this -2, 6, 12. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, and third row will become third row. So row are changed into column, that is R1 into C1, R2 into C2, and R3 into C3. So this is the transpose of AB. Now the value of A is given. So I can have, since A matrix is having elements 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, its transpose, I can find A transpose, this will -2, 4, 5. Again matrix B is given, so B transpose I can find as 1, 3 and minus 6. So this is the value of A transpose, this is the value of B transpose. Now the right hand side, this is left hand side. Now I can take the right hand side. Now this right hand side, I can find B transpose A transpose. So B transpose is B transpose A transpose. So its value is 1, 3 minus 6, and the value of A transpose is minus 2, 4 and 5. So again I will have to multiply these two matrices. So this will again a matrix. So the first element of row 1, when multiplied by 2, it will give minus 2. 1 multiplied by 4, it will give 4. And 1 multiplied by 5 will have 5 as element of row 1. Then 3 into 2 minus 6 here, 3 into 4, 12 here, and 3 into 5, 15 will be the second row element, last element. Then minus 6 into 12, it will be plus 12. Minus 6 into 4, minus 24. And minus 5 into minus 6 into 5, minus 30 here. So if I look at this right hand side and this left hand side, so they appear same. Here I have minus 2, here I have minus 2. They are identical. Here 4, 4, 5, 5. So similarly the rest of elements, they are same. So I can say B transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So in this way, this is to be calculated. Here should minus 6. So the next one is so there are two more questions of same type. You will try yourself. So questions are from this exercise 3.3. So you can try question number 5. For matrices A and B, you have to verify A, B transpose, B transpose, A transpose. So question is the part first. Value of A is given as 1 minus 4, 3. Value of B is given as minus 1, 2, 1. So you have to verify this result. Another part is given again the A matrix. The value is given as 0, 1, 2. Value of B matrix is given as 1, 5, 7. So these are the two questions. So in the same manner you can solve. So you try yourself. Now last question of this exercise, that is question number 10. So yesterday I had done one part out of the 4 parts. So let us do the next part. So you will try these 2 questions yourself. Last question of this exercise is, it is part 2nd, question number 10, part 7. The first part I had solved yesterday. So he says express the given matrix as sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. So you have to express this matrix as sum of 2 matrices whose elements are 6, -2, 2. Then -2, 3 here, -1 here, 2, -1 and 3. 6, -2, 2, -2, 3, -1, 2, -1, 3. So this is a question in which this is to be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So yesterday I had written a theorem. That theorem says that any square matrix, if I have a square matrix, just this is a square matrix, it is having 3 rows and 3 columns, so this is a square matrix. So any square matrix can be expressed as sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. So this was a theorem. Yesterday I had shown this theorem, and according to this theorem I can say half the A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. So this part is symmetric matrix and this part is skew symmetric. So this I have to prove. This result I have to prove from the given matrix. So I have the value of A matrix. So first I will have to find the A transpose. So therefore A transpose will equal to, changing row into column, 6 minus 2, 2, then 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1 and 3. So this is A transpose. Now A plus A transpose I have to find. So therefore A plus A transpose. So this will equal to, writing elements, 6 minus 2, 2, then minus 2, 3, minus 1, then 2, minus 1, 3. So these are elements of A matrix. Then its transpose matrix that is 6 minus 2, 2 here, then minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. So I have written the elements of matrix A and A transpose. So addition, I will have to add these two matrices. Both are of the same order. So in addition of matrices, we add the corresponding elements. So this element is having this corresponding element. So 6 plus 6, I can write 12 here, and minus 2 here. So minus 4 here. 2 plus 2, 4 here. So again this minus 2, minus 4, 3 plus 3, 6 here, minus 1, minus 2 here, and lastly 2 plus 2, I will have 4 here, minus 1, minus 2 here, and 3 plus 3, 6 here. So this is the value of A plus A transpose. Now if I can find its value half of this, so half of multiplying both sides by 1 by 2, so I will have 12, 4, then minus 4, 6, minus 2, 4, minus 2, and 6. So if I multiply the matrix elements with 1 by 2, so I will have 6 here, minus 2 here, and 2 here. Again minus 2 here, 3 here, minus 1 here, 2, minus 1, and 3. So this is the value of this first component. So again I have to find this value. So for finding this value of A minus A transpose. So this value can be calculated. Elements of A, 6, minus 2, 2. Then minus 2, 3, minus 1. Then 2, minus 1, and 3. 1 is time. So the elements of A transpose. So A transpose elements are 6, minus 2, 2. Then minus 2, 3, minus 1. Then 2, minus 1, and 3. So this is elements of A transpose. So this will equal to the matrix 6, minus 6, 0 here. Here is minus 2, and minus 2 and minus 2 will become plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2, it will give 0. Again 2, and here minus 2, so 0 here. So in row second, here is minus 2 and here is plus 2. Again 0, 3 positive here and 3 negative here. So again 0, minus 1 here and plus 1 here. 0, 2, minus 2, 0, 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, again 0, and 3 minus 3, again 0. So this is the value of A minus A transpose. So therefore half of A minus A transpose, this will be equal to half of this value, and this value half will be equal to again the same matrix, that is 0 matrix. So I have found the two components, this value and this value. So both the values I have calculated. Now I will add this to this. So adding now half A plus A transpose half A minus A transpose. So both values I have calculated. So this is the value of half A plus A transpose. So instead of this, I can write its value 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1, 3. So this is the value of A plus A transpose. Then the other value, this value, this is 0 matrix, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So both the values I have substituted. Now add, I will add these two values. So corresponding elements are to be added. 6, then minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, 2 plus 0, 2, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, 3 plus 0, 3, minus 1 here and 2 here, minus 1 here and 3 here. So this matrix value, this is nothing but this is the value of A matrix. So if I compare 6 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 2, 2 in row first row element, second row elements are minus 2, 3, minus 1. So same, and third is also the same. So this is the value of A. So that means we have proved this was the result which was to be proved. That means therefore half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose, this comes to be A. Or I can say A is equal to half A plus A transpose plus half A minus A transpose. So this is a symmetric, this is a skew symmetric. So I can write this is symmetric and this is skew symmetric. So that means matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. So in this way, this question was to be solved. So this was the first part of 10th question of your exercise 3.3. There is one more question of this type. So you will try yourself. With this exercise finishes. So you will yourself try this question. A matrix, its elements are 3, 3, minus 1, then minus 2, -2, 1, -4, -5 and 2 here. So you have to show that this is to be expressed as sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric. So same way this question you will solve yourself. So yourself you will try. So this finishes this exercise. Now one more question is there. Question says if A is equal to matrix cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. So this is a matrix 2 by 2 matrix and A plus A transpose, this is given to be I. So you have find the value of alpha. So this value you have to find. So this is simple to solve. Value of A is given cos alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha. Value of A transpose can you calculate cos alpha, sin alpha, then sin alpha, cos alpha. So this is the value of A transpose. Now using the result which is given here, I, it is identity matrix and it is of 2 by 2 order. So its value will be 1 0 0 1. So using the result given, and that is A plus A transpose equal to I. So I can put the value of A, its value is cos alpha, sin alpha, then minus sin alpha, cos alpha, plus A transpose. So A transpose is again value of its elements, then sin alpha, cos alpha. So addition of these two, this is equal to I matrix as it is given. So instead of I, you can write its value 1 0 0 1, identity matrix. So it is 2 by 2, again 2 by 2 and again 2 by 2. All the three matrices, they are 2 by 2. So addition. So then I will add, so cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha, then minus sin alpha and sin alpha, this will give 0 and this will equal to 1 0 0 1. So this sin alpha positive, sin alpha negative, 0 here cos alpha, 2 cos alpha. So these are the two matrices. They are equal, and they are equal. Their elements will be same. So 2 cos alpha equal to 0. That is cos alpha equal to instead of 0, this is 1. Its corresponding answer is 1. So cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. So I can say cos alpha equal to cos of 5 by 3. So alpha cancel. So alpha will be 5 by 3. So this is the answer. So one more question is important one. Question is question says if matrix A is given as 0 minus tangent alpha by 2, tangent alpha by 2 here, 0 here, and I is identity matrix. I is identity matrix of order 2. Its order is 2. Then you have to show I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha, then cos alpha. This result is to be proved. So how can we, this is important question. So this is important from examination point of view. So this result you have to show. It is a lengthy question. I will give hint. So left hand side is I plus A. So I is a 2 by 2 matrix. So I can write its value. A matrix is given 0 tangent alpha by 2 minus and tangent alpha by 2 positive here, 0 here. So if I add these two, I will get 0 plus 1, 0 plus this tangent alpha by 2 and 0 plus tangent alpha by 2 and 1 plus 0, 1 here. So this is the left hand side. So I have to prove my right hand side, that is I minus A into cos alpha sin alpha So its value I 1001 minus A. A is 0 tangent alpha by 2 tangent alpha by 2 and 0. So this is to be multiplied by cos alpha sin alpha cos of alpha. So this is right hand side. So I can write this as, if I subtract these two matrices, so 1 minus 0 1, this is 0 minus tangent alpha. Now this will become, instead of minus minus, plus 1. So 0 minus tangent alpha by 2 tangent alpha by 2 minus here, and 1 minus 0 1 here. So this is the matrix obtained by subtracting these two matrices. So the next one is cos alpha sin alpha cos of alpha. So I will have to multiply these two matrices the same way as done in the previous exercise. So it is row into column multiplication. I can multiply this right hand side one tangent alpha by 2 minus tangent alpha by 2 1 and cos alpha sin alpha cos alpha. So this is to be multiplied by the row into column. So this first row by first column. So 1 multiplied with cos alpha will give cos alpha, then plus tangent alpha by 2 sin alpha. So this will be the element. The second element will be the same matrices minus sin alpha, then plus tangent alpha by 2 cos of alpha. So second row minus tangent alpha by 2 multiplied by minus tangent alpha by 2 multiplied by cos alpha, then plus this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this will give sin alpha. Then this tangent alpha multiplied by this, so it will be plus sin alpha tangent of alpha by 2, minus and minus will become plus, then plus cos alpha. This is the value of the product of these two matrices. Now this is to be simplified, and lastly this will equal to this. So here I can simplify this by cos alpha as it is. This tangent alpha by 2 I can write it as sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into sin alpha. Here also minus sin alpha plus this first cos alpha, this sin upon cos alpha by 2, sin alpha, then this minus sin alpha, plus again here I can write sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha. So here also I can write minus instead of tangent sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos alpha plus sin of alpha. Again here sin alpha instead of sin alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2, this is the value of tangent, plus cos of alpha. So up to here, note